On this episode of Doorbell Mania.
Show me your hand. Hey, what's going on, man? What's going on? Please, show me your hand. What's show me your hand?
I got some keys. I don't know what I'm doing. You got a camera, though.
Police on their way right now. Oh, can I help you?
You gotta get away from my porch, dude.
I'm calling the cops right now. Show me your hand.
Gardena, California. You may look at this and say it's just a decent looking woman delivering DoorDash. But oh no, she's up to something else. Something sinister. She evaluates her surroundings to make sure no one's watching, then puts up the bag of food in front of the camera to swipe this resident's mail from off the porch undetected. If you're in this lady's area of Gardena, be sure to get your DoorDash food and your mail off your porch immediately. Kansas City, Kansas. A suspicious man is seen on Ring security camera, raking leaves off the porch with his feet in the middle of the night. You may say that's a neighborly deed of him, but oh no, he's no neighbor, and he's been out there in front of their home, knocking on every door and window for over 20 minutes. The cops were called, and even while hearing the sirens, he continues on, prowling at this house in the bitter cold.
Hey, stop up. What's going on, man? What's going on? Please, show me your hand. What's your hand?
What's his problem? Mental illness is real, people.
Huh? What's going on? Why y'all pulling rush me like that, man? What you doing knocking on the window? It's my family house.
If you ever see someone at your door having a mental issue or out somewhere in the public, the best thing to do is just avoid them until you have no other choice. Or call the police.
It's the police.
Los Angeles. Here's another person at someone's door that might have a mental issue. Or he might be a psychopath because he's knocking on the door with a knife in his hand. Fortunately for the resident, the police were able to apprehend this fellow as well. Carson, California.
I'm trying to steal anything. I don't have a letter here. Yeah, I did. You do the same thing. Look here, I just want to get my letter. What's the letter? Prison. Not a prison or anything. I don't know what prison is. It's not a prison here. You think I know where I'm at? It's not in there. What's she or he? Who's for me? I know where I'm at. I'm fucking on Jefferson. I'm not dead. I'm fucking up on the door. I'm in trouble. I'm not in trouble. I'm not lousy either.
I'm not sure if I can blame this woman's actions on mental illness. I think she's simply having a bad hair day, and she couldn't find a bonnet, and all the beauty parlor stores were closed. She decides to use some jogging pants as a hat, and then go searching in the middle of the night for a hairstylist.
Yeah, can this Brittany here? Yeah, can this Brittany here?
Fort Worth, Texas. I don't know if this is a man or a woman, but apparently this person is skip leg day. This person has something, some kind of weapon perhaps hidden in their right pocket, because they definitely not pulling their other arm out or use it for leverage. Texas also has very loose gun laws and is a stand your ground state. This home invader is very bold at that.
what do you need at my house? Sir?
Yo.
Why are you in my... Why are you in my house?
I was telling you somewhere, please. Can I use your restroom?
No. Why are you in my yard? Why are you in my yard? I'm calling the police right now, you know. Why are you in my yard? Why are you in my yard? Why? I'm calling the police.
I'll tell you use your restroom. You can let me use your restroom.
No.
I don't put it in yours.
I'm calling the police. Why are you at my yard?
He must not really have to go to the bathroom that bad because he's steady arguing with this woman.
Why are you at my yard?
All right, man.
Kick rocks. Dayton, Ohio.
Hello? Hello?
Is this young lady?
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Is she suffering
Is it
from mental
anyone?
illness? Or is it something
please open
more
the door.
sinister?
Hello? Hello? I don't want to come. I'm so scared.
She was smart enough to cover her fingerprints as she grabbed the handle to the door.
Hello? I don't want to come. I'm so scared.
New Orleans, Louisiana. Hackensack, New Jersey.
Yeah, I come here.
What?
I come here.
You want to get this bust off? Huh?
Oh yeah, I
You're in
come
the wrong
here.
house, my friend. See you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's all right.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
No, it's that they're my friends. My friends.
Okay, you're in the wrong
Yeah.
house. Can I help you?
It's me, Mario.
Columbus, Ohio. This old man is doing way too much for a horch package. Fort Lee, New Jersey.
Can I help you?
Is everything
Hello?
okay inside there?
Sorry, it's hard to hear you.
Is everything okay inside there? I thought
Yeah, we're not home.
oh, okay. Sorry about that.
Never tell a complete random stranger that you're not home, especially if they call themselves the thumping police.
Yeah. It looked like he was trying to... Yeah, we're not home.
Cedar Hill, Texas. This home invader appears to know the house he's in. He's walking very slowly. It appears he's looking for something specifically, and he's not intimidated by the bark of the dog. He's also not bothered when the homeowner addresses him on the Ring security camera intercom.
Hello? Who's in our home? Get out of the home now. Hello? You need to get out of the home right now. Get out of the home right now.
This guy is acting real spooky. He needs to kick rocks. Fort Walton Beach, Florida. This man is seen on various home security cameras in this neighborhood, ringing their doorbells and prowling in their yards.
Answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Yeah, I've been directed by God to let everybody know
that it's going to be the end of the world coming soon. You wanted me, before I leave town, I got to do the part in the Bible where you got to leave all your stuff behind. Don't bring nothing with you. And go. I just left my cell phone and everything. Won't leave me alone. I got to knock on every door.
Dallas, Texas. Bronx, New York. This is just despicable. A man pulls up in his car to get out and put his dirty garbage in someone else's front yard. Out of all the places he can go to put that trash, he decides to stop there. This resident homeowner should look through that trash, since it's now public property, and try to find out where and who that person is. Then send the information off to the sanitation department so that person can get a $100 plus fine. This woman pulls up, allegedly claiming she's a caseworker. But yeah, it looks like she's casing this house. And she starts fidgeting with her clothing, starts messing with the doorknob, until finally the resident answers.
Can I help you?
Hi, I'm sorry. I'm here for Faith.
For who?
Faith.
What do you need?
Who do I need? I'm her caseworker.
You're looking for who?
This is the address. Caseworker. This is the address they gave me.
You have the wrong place.
The wrong case or the wrong house?
I believe you have the wrong house.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
She may be telling the truth, or she may be lying. I don't know. This tweaker puts her glasses on to get her breaking and entering skills a little bit sharper. Kick rocks, woman.
Ridgeback. My fault. I'm doing a ridgeback. It's not a home. What the? Fisella. Is that supposed to be someone of me? Mine? Is that supposed to be someone of me? I got some keys. I don't know what I'm doing. You got a camera though.
Police on their way right now. Oh, can I help you?
You gotta get away from my porch, dude.